What's going on, YouTubers? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. And guys, today's video, we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. So today, we're going to be doing a smoke alarm test number 14. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Now, before we get right into today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get started the smoke alarm test video. Alright, so as you can see here, right now what I'm showing is the First Alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm, and I called it smoke alarm. Here's the actual smoke alarm. It's a Family Guard FG888D. FG. There should be a dash on it, so it's okay. Anyways, we were going to do two tests. One's going to be right here, and the second one is going to be over there. So let's do some, I think I might be able to do the quick picture of it. I think it should be good. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The smoke alarm. That was a quick press. Ooh. Well, you can see the differences between that. I can actually tell you the difference. One, it was actually like one is actually here like this because this thing is already open. The battery lid, the battery cover is already open, and then when I closed it, it won't block that noise. So you can tell the difference. All right, we will go ahead and do one last final test, and then we will end the video. See? Just like that. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of the smoke alarm test. And yes, we're ending. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before I end up with today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Guys, please don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage as well too. Make sure you guys check out the Greenville updates as well. Greenville just keep releasing new updates, and that is so insane. If you guys want to check out the Greenville updates, go to Discord and join Greenville. So guys, make sure you guys check out my second YouTube channel, and make sure you guys subscribe as well too, and I appreciate it. So, anyways guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you guys back later in the next video. Peace.